that you have tax problem. Good morning. Look at me, guys. I have file of stuff on me. Good morning. I have to watch the stairs or else I'm going to trembling down. I can't see what I'm doing. Look what happened, guys. There is a dark line. I really like the result of the line. That tape, it's just ridiculously nice. From something. I will show it to you before I forget. Hold on, guys. Yeah. I'm going to have some. Oh, it's 7:30 already. Holy cow. Holy cow. Going to have some breakfast. What I'm going to have. I'm going to boil water. That's what I always do, guys. Oh, anyway. Where is that frog tape? It's still, the package is still here of that tape. This garbage right here, I put it here. This is the tape, guys. The frog tape. Look. Look at the difference of the blue tape and the yellow tape. I put the yellow. I'm going to show you clear that close that you want. Look how clear is that. Look, guys. I'm gonna have coffee. I think we have to run this a couple of times, this water thing, because I noticed the water is kind of oily. I think from, it's from running. We have to run it, run, what? And then we can have our water. And my egg, guys, is cooking. Yuppa. Okay, let me put this back over here. Butter. I just sit down and relax for a couple of minutes, or yeah, minutes, because I'm not done in there yet, but I'm gonna do a different, continue to my other thing. So anyway, I just want to talk to you about somebody on Facebook. Let me shut this off, this show I'm watching. Anyway, yeah, she was my coworker, and she posted on Facebook about IRS, that she have tax problem. Yeah, and then what happened is, she said somebody called her that she have a problem with her tax 2013. It's a scam. I will receive a call twice already. The first time I was in the house, I don't answer it, but there's a lot of phone calls. You will hear that IRS will, it's not real government, it's not the real IRS. It is just a scam. It's somewhere using different phone, using apps to call somebody to scam or get you something or get your money or whatever. Yeah, so you guys be careful, because there's a lot of things going on now. Well, my husband said that this has been around for a long time. So today is Wednesday, and husband is working today, and yeah, it's all, oh my god, it's 11 o'clock. I don't really have enough food here, but I have enough steak for and one fish. So, oh my god, it's okay. I'll survive. I will survive. I'm just gonna fry it. Think I'm good. Fried rice. I'm gonna buy more lumpia, guys. The guys, that lumpia is so good. I'm going to check the second floor if it's hot. I am making some steak for tonight, guys. I put so much oil though. I don't know why I did that. But I'm gonna fry it like fry. I put this in there. This is the Montreal steak grill master. I'm washing my brushes, guys, because it's been a while